There are 3 levels of documentation: education, tutoring, and child documentation. Education is intended for the overall operation, tutoring is intended for the classrooms, and child documentation for the individual level, e.g. individual development plan. The 3 levels work in the same way, and in the example, we will go through education. They are divided into published and draft. We press the plus sign to create new documentation. We see that the name and sharing options are missing, so we tap there to set it up. Here we name the documentation and set the share option by pressing it. You can also tag children, and then their guardians will have access to the documentation when you choose to share it with guardians, i.e. the lowest option. Press Add Children to tag the children whose guardians should have access to the documentation. Press Done at the top right when you are done. Then select Done at the top right. Press Add at the bottom to add material. Here you can choose between text, PDF, images, curriculum goals, and connections. We select Text. Write your text and then press Done at the top right. Now our text has been added, and we can either save or continue and select Add again to add more parts. We select Add and then PDF. Tap the desired PDF to select it. If you press Add, you can add more PDF documents. Then select Done at the top right. We press Add and select Images. Tap on the images you want to attach and then tap on Done at the top right. Via Add, we now press Goals in Curriculum. Among the governing documents, we choose LPFU 18. Tap the goals you want to use and then tap Done in the top right. We press Add and Connections. Here you can connect to teaching, children's documentation, and blog. In the example, we select Blog. Choose the dates and select Arrange. Here we have the blog posts that match our search, and we can tap on them to link them to the documentation. Press the icon to the right of the post to see it in its entirety. Press Back, and then Done. Here we see the post we connected, and then press Done at the top right. We now press Save at the top right to save the documentation. Press the 3 dots on the far right to be able to choose between Edit, Copy, and Delete.